Nowadays, we have laptops that generally ship with single headphone jack as compared to the previous ones, where we had separate jack for headphone and a microphone. So when you get your external microphone and plug it in, it might not work. By default, the single jack which we have in new laptops is set to be used as a headphone or headset. Plugging in your microphone will be assumed as a headphone or headset output, and you won't be able to use it as a microphone. To resolve this issue, you need to change the settings which is set to be used as a headset by default. Search for Realtek Audio Console, head on to Device Advanced Settings. Now plug in your microphone. Under the connector, retasking, in analog, select the drop-down and change it from headset or headphone to mic in. That's it. Now whenever you plug in the jack, it will be used as a microphone. Now when you plug in your headphone or headset, head back to the settings page and toggle it according to the need.